make our YouTube videos more global in different languages. I'm going to use as a demonstration a video I made a few days ago about one of my books called Jeweled Dreams. Let's see, I couldn't resist. So let me make that bigger. I touched the little sign in the bottom right hand corner of the video, and the trick to this is so easy. On the top right hand corner of the video you can see a little cog. Now I've noticed sometimes that cog is in different places around the video, so on another device, I'm on an iPad, it might be somewhere else, so let me press that. And this is really easy. There's two areas I want to look at very quickly, or I'm suggesting we look at pretty quickly. It says quality, playback speed, captions, which is CC, it's difficult to believe, closed captions, and also audio track, which is something that YouTube only brought out in the last month. Sometimes audio track is referred to as dubbing your video in different languages. Let's look at captions. If I press captions and then I press on auto translate, it will translate into all these. It's just amazing. So you can tell your German friends or your Korean friends or your Japanese friends or your Thai friends, where I am, they can click that and well, let's just see what happens.
Where every story is an adventure. Imagine stepping into
so
the world of
Pasara. She's still speaking in English, but she's actually translating
an adventurous
it into
young
Thai,
girl from
which
Chiang Mai,
is absolutely
Thailand,
amazing.
who speaks.
Let's stop that. Let's look at the other one. I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner. Let's captions. Let's get that off. Let's go back to English, losing my voice, and go to the little thing, the little cog, audio track. Now, you notice there's only a few languages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. YouTube have only just launched this, so this is all that's there at the moment. Although they have plans for more. And in fact, in the background, I don't know why they offered me this so early on. I'm not an important YouTuber, but they have said there's others and I can access other ones in the background. So this audio dubbing, let's just press on, I don't know, what should we do? German. Let's do German. And now let's play it and see what happens.
Thailändisch, Mandarin und Englisch spricht. In ihrem wundervollen Buch lädt Pasara die Leser zu 24 bezaubernden Geschichten ein. Jede einzelne gibt einen Einblick in ihre Träume, ihr tägliches Leben und ihre größten Abenteuer. Alle in einfachem Englisch geschrieben, perfekt für junge Lernende. Erwarten Sie eine schwimmende Katze, einen hilfsbedürftigen Papagei und einen thailändischen Elefanten auf dem Mond. Sie werden lachen, wenn...
So remember, go up to the cog, wherever the cog is. 1, 2, 3. The third one down is closed captions, which is out down the bottom. And then the next one, audio track, is dubbing, real-time lip dubbing, which is amazing. I should say that YouTube are only offering this for new videos that are going up. Unfortunately, they're not backdating that. Okay, hope you found that useful. It can open up your videos, especially if you're an author or a publisher or a marketeer, globally. So important. Have fun.